Yes, this is fisherman soup, guys. Come and join me. Come and join birthday gift to enjoy fisherman soup.
Good for me. Good for me.
Hi guys, can you see? This can only happen in Chop House. Come and join us. Crowd.
That's for me. Put me for you.